Hi, I'm Albert Roy, President and CEO of the Lupus Research Alliance. The past year has been a remarkable one of progress for the lupus community. For the first time in 2 years, we were thrilled to be together with the community once again for our Walk With Us to Cure Lupus events around the country. The enthusiasm and joy on people's faces to see friends and family together was so inspiring. These donations will go directly to fund the most promising and bold new lupus research. The LRA supports the full continuum of research from the underlying causes of lupus and its heterogeneity, through identifying pathways to target with potential treatments, and evaluating the safety and efficacy of new investigational therapeutics in people living with lupus. We are making a difference. Our research has catalyzed several exciting new developments this year. The FDA approved Lista as the first and only treatment for children whose lupus has attacked their kidneys. The LRA is proud of this milestone and our role in funding the early research that contributed to the development of this treatment. Our funding on CAR T-cell therapy laid the foundation for a small clinical study showing disease remission in 5 patients who were seriously ill and who hadn't responded to standard treatments. In 2022, we invested $18.3 million in novel lupus research through our grant mechanisms. Our largest research investment, the Global Team Science Award, was awarded to 3 outstanding international research teams from 14 institutions across 4 continents. These $3 million research investments per team will support pioneering research to explore why lupus differs from person to person, paving the way toward personalized medicine approaches. We recognize the importance of partnering closely with the biopharmaceutical industry to advance lupus drug development with the goal of enabling patient-centric therapies to improve lupus clinical care. That's why we are excited to be currently collaborating with 6 biopharmaceutical companies on 8 clinical trials in partnership with our affiliate, Lupus Therapeutics, and the Lupus Clinical Investigators Network. Finally, we are addressing systemic issues plaguing lupus clinical research and clinical care. One of the major obstacles in the development of new treatments is the lack of diversity in research and health disparities. We are tackling these issues head-on. The Lupus Research Alliance and Lupus Therapeutics launched several initiatives to facilitate diverse representation in lupus research, as well as programs aimed at improving representation in clinical trials. We launched the Diversity in Lupus Award to broaden perspectives and diversify the workforce by funding the research of underrepresented minority scientists. We presented results from our novel Patient Advocates for Lupus Studies program, or PALS, showing that it effectively improved awareness and intention to participate in lupus clinical trials. Based on this success, we will be expanding this program in 2023 in partnership with our biopharmaceutical partners. Our newest health equity program, Project Change, is ramping up in 2023 to develop individual community-based programs that empower and engage African Americans to participate in lupus clinical research. Recently, we convened a panel of global thought leaders to consider the racial, ethnic, and genetic factors impacting lupus and help achieve greater health equity for patients. There is much to be proud of in the work that we have accomplished, but we know that it is far from done. You, our lupus community, are at the core of everything we do. And working together, we will find better treatments that will allow people with lupus to become the best versions of themselves. We can't do it alone, but together, anyone can.